Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Pinterest for Business, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app. If you already have a personal account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, select Join Pinterest. Choose the option to register for a business account. Fill in your email address, create a password, and enter your business name. Select your business type from the provided categories. Provide the URL of your website, if applicable. Complete the additional information requested, such as your country and age. Review Pinterest's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Open your email and follow the verification link sent by Pinterest. Return to the Pinterest site after verification. Complete your business profile by adding your logo and description. Choose your business goals and set up your account preferences. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Start creating boards and adding pins to showcase your business. Utilize Pinterest Analytics to track your performance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.